A circular patio contains two circular gardens in which small pools are surrounded by shrubs. Let's go ahead and color that in. Say it's got blue in there. We got gardens here, shrubs. Little visual aid. Okay. The gardens lay tangent to one another at the center of the patio. They are tangent to the larger patio at points X and Y. Tangent just means they touch at one point. The straight line distance between X and Y is 20. Sally parks her car at point X and walks halfway around the circular patio. She then grows tired and decides to take a shortcut back to her car by following the curved path along the outskirts of the shrubs. Which of the following represents the total distance that Sally walked? Okay. Let's think about this for a second. Where exactly did Sally walk in this case? Well, she's got the red pen. She's parked at point X. She walked halfway around the whole circle. And then when she got halfway back, she took a shortcut and went here. And then here. That's the path that she took. So what is the length of that path there? Okay, so what do we know about the circumference of a circle? The circumference of a circle, C, is the diameter times pi, right? So we know the diameter of this large circle is 20 because x to y, that is the diameter of the circle, is 20. So the diameter of the larger circle is 20 pi, this whole big circle. So if she walked halfway around the circle, she would have walked 10 pi. 10 pi, that's this little portion right here. So if she walked back by going along this road right here, then, well, each of these circles, the circumference of these smaller circles is going to be 10 pi each, right? 10 pi for this circle, 10 pi for this circle, because if they're half the width of this larger circle that's 20 units, doesn't say exactly what units they are, just 20, then the circumference of each of these is going to be 10 pi. Now, if the circumference of the whole circle for this smaller circle is 10 pi, then this would be 5 pi, since it's halfway around the circle, and then this would be 5 pi. With that in mind, we add up all these different values, 10 pi plus 5 pi plus another 5 pi, 20 pi. Or answer B. Let's go ahead and choose that. Make sure we're correct. And we are. Now the toughest part with this question is simply kind of parsing the question and making sure that you know that the path that she took is this one right here. Once you do that, it's very easy to find the circumference of these two circles and then just add up all the values of 10, 5, and 5. Okay. Tangent is a word that they use a lot in the SAT when talking about circles. Just make sure that means, you know that means just touching at one point. So they're all tangent to each other. They just touch at these little points right here. Okay, let's move on.